After this video, you'll be able to pay your own fees because the method I'm going to teach you in today's video is going to help you earn 25,000 rupees in the next 30 days. And it is not something that is going to be super hard to get started into. ऐसे हम लोग जैसे brown लोगों के लिए perfectly बनी हुई चीज़ है. So let's just get into it. Welcome to this training, boys. I'm going to teach you exactly how to earn 25k in the next 30 days, working just 2 hours per day. And the thing that I'm talking about is called as client acquisition virtual assistances. That means you help these business owners, you help other agency owners get clients. इसका मतलब यही होता है कि you help them get clients by becoming a virtual assistant. And the reason why it works so well is because most hires are from India. Most लोग को इंडिया से ही हायर करते हैं वो लोग. Secondly, it's easy work. इतना कुछ tough work भी नहीं है. And you get paid a lot due to the conversion rates. Okay, so this is the thing that I want you to understand because ये बहुत beneficial रहने वाला है हम लोगों के लिए because most people hire from India and it's not even बहुत tough work. You can literally get started if you know exactly what you must do, if you have the right training. And that's why I want to just put a quick pitch. I have a free community inside the first link in the description. I have a free community wherein I teach you how to become a virtual assistant as a full entire course, and it has worked so very well because we have already had students inside the community who have used the course, who have gotten like a booking with a client in like 3 days of working with the course. So it really works if you put in the effort. You can check it out, first link in the description. Now, so what do we actually work on as a client acquisition virtual assistant? Basically, as a client acquisition virtual assistant, तुम्हारे पास एक outreach method रहने वाला. Outreach is essentially लुकिंग फॉर क्लाइंट्स, लुकिंग फॉर कस्टमर्स. तो ये एजेंसी ओनर्स जो होते हैं उनको भी क्लाइंट्स चाहिए रहता है, बट उनका मेन काम क्या है? हेल्पिंग दीज क्लाइंट्स. उनका मेन काम क्लाइंट्स लेने के लिए मैसेजेस डालना नहीं होता है. दैट्स वेयर यू कम इन टू प्ले बिकॉज द मोमेंट यू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम यू क्रिएट वैल्यू, एंड वंस यू हैव वैल्यू यू गेट पेड फॉर दैट वैल्यू. सो यू आर सॉल्विंग दिस प्रॉब्लम ऑफ क्लाइंट एक्विजिशन कि तुम बोलोगे कि मैं मैसेजेस भेज देता हूँ, तुम चिल मारो. So then you send these messages to these people. And now the reason why it works so very well for us especially is because like agency owners या companies के लिए भी ये एक beneficial चीज़ होता है because they have to pay you less money but you get a lot of money in the return because conversion rates, right? तो उनके लिए cheap होता है, तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा पैसा मिल जाता है. And secondly it's that you get so much education out of it. I mean you will be able to learn the sales process of top companies. Imagine that एक agency जो बहुत अच्छा पैसा कमा रहा है, you'll be able to know exactly how they get clients. That's irreplaceable knowledge. So you basically are going to be working on outreach. Now you can find these clients for yourself on either Instagram, LinkedIn, या Google Maps or Upwork. Why I'm emphasizing so much on this shit is because that you need to first get clients for yourself and then you need to do specific kind of outreach to get your own clients. Okay, एक specific kind of method होता है to get your own clients, and once you get the clients you just contact with them, उससे तुमको पैसा सब मिल जाता है. You can work like 2 hours per day. So I'll just tell you, you offer your service of client acquisition and you charge $5 per hour. ठीक है, तुम $5 per hour का charge कर रहे हो. You work 2 hours per day, that's $10. It seems less. You work 30 days, that's $300. That comes around 25,000 rupees. So the more you work, the more money you make. And the thing is, I don't want you to like become like a client acquisition virtual assistant for life. It's sort of like quick income के लिए तुम बोल सकते हो कि quickly अगर तुम्हें पैसा कमाना है, you can do this type of thing. अगर तुम्हें quick cash flow चाहिए, you can do this. So the more money you will make is directly correlated with the more amount of work that you do. So it works really well because अगर तुम ज़्यादा काम करोगे तुम्हें ज़्यादा पैसा मिलेगा. And the clients you should work with are number one agency owners. And with this, why do I say agency owners? Because ये लोग को basically need चाहिए रहता है. But with this method, you learn the sales processes of top companies, which is very beneficial. Top companies के sales processes, भाई ये तो top knowledge हो जाता है. And the reason I'm emphasizing so much on this free community is because I've literally built out this course for you for free. मतलब मैं जो भी यहाँ पे बात कर रहा हूँ, you get this inside this course for free. Okay, for free. I cannot emphasize enough. I want you to succeed. So please, first link in the description में जाके ये course देखो because it will genuinely change your life. I'm guaranteeing it because I've worked so hard for this. I've worked so hard to get this transformation for you. Alright? Check it out. First link in the description. You have other courses as well. You have a community and everything inside. Catalyst Light, check it out. First link in the description. If you like this video, scroll down and subscribe. Don't sacrifice your future self for the pleasure today. Peace.